Welcome to Millionaire Headquarters, by your go-to source for personal finance and investing strategies that will help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. If you're under 40 and looking for a way to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, this is the place for you. I'm Josh Carter, and just a few years ago, I was in the same position as many of you, working hard trying to save, but not really seeing my money work for me. Then I discovered the power of smart investing, passive income, and compound interest, and everything changed. Now, I've built wealth, reached financial freedom, and I want to help you do the same. On this channel, we break down proven financial strategies in a way that's simple, actionable, and effective. You don't need a finance degree, and you don't need to be rich to start, but you do need to start. If you're serious about making your money work for you, this is where your journey begins. Why this channel matters for your future. The reality is, most people never achieve financial freedom. Why? Because they're taught to trade time for money instead of making their money work for them. Schools don't teach this stuff, traditional jobs don't emphasize it, and most people never learn how to build real wealth. That's where Millionaire Headquarters comes in. I'm here to fill in the gaps, show you exactly how money grows, and help you build habits that lead to wealth and success. Whether you're just getting started or looking to level up your finances, the principles I teach here will set you up for life. And to kick things off, we're starting with one of the most important financial concepts of all time, compound interest. So, what is compound interest? It's interest on your interest. Instead of just earning money on what you invest, your money starts making more money on its own. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first it's small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow and grows faster and faster. That's exactly how compound interest works with your investments. The earlier you start, the bigger your wealth snowball becomes. Here's why this matters. Time is your biggest asset when it comes to building wealth. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Let's break it down with an example. Scenario A. You start investing $200 a month at age 20, earning an average 10% return, which is close to what the stock market has historically returned. By the time you're 60, you'd have over $1.2 million. Scenario B. You wait until age 30 to start. Even if you invest the same amount, you'll only end up with $450,000. That's a $750,000 difference just because of time. This is why you cannot afford to wait to start investing. Every year you delay, you lose money, not just what you could have invested, but all the compounding growth that comes with it. I know what some of you are thinking. I don't have extra money to invest, or maybe I don't know where to start. That's exactly why this channel exists. I'm going to show you how to find extra money, how to invest with as little as $5, and how to stop making excuses that keep you broke. Here's the truth. You don't have to be rich to start investing, but you do have to start. It's not about having money, it's about having the right mindset. So how do you actually use compound interest to build wealth? Here's what you do. 1. Start early. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is today. 2. Invest consistently. Set up automatic investments so you don't even have to think about it. 3. Reinvest your earnings. Don't cash out your profits. Let them grow and work for you. 4. Be patient. Compound interest rewards long-term thinkers. Stay invested and let time do its magic. Let me tell you a quick story about someone who used compound interest to change their life. A guy named Ronald Reed was a janitor and gas station attendant for most of his life. He didn't make much money, but he was consistent. He saved, invested wisely, and let compound interest do the work. By the time he passed away, he had a net worth of over $8 million. This wasn't luck. It wasn't about a high-paying job. It was about consistent investing, patience, and the magic of compound interest. All right, that's your first step to millionaire status. If you got value from this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we have a lot more wealth-building strategies coming your way. Drop a comment below and let me know, when did you start investing or when do you plan to? Let's start the conversation. Welcome to Millionaire Headquarters, where your path to wealth begins. See you in the next episode.